Here is how you can make an easy and delicious Nigerian beef suya. Start by seasoning your thinly sliced beef with all your spices and seasoning of choice. Give that a good mix and cover it with a plastic wrap and let it marinate for at least 1 hour. In a small mixing bowl, combine ground KuliKuli, chili powder, ground clove, ginger powder, seasoning, and give that a good mix and set aside as your suya spice. Now go ahead and transfer the beef to a skewer and coat the skewered beef in suya spice like this. You can bake this in an oven or air fryer, but I will be using charcoal to grill mine. Brush some vegetable oil on it and grill. Keep turning every few minutes and brush vegetable oil frequently until it is very cooked. Your homemade Nigerian beef suya is ready. I served mine with gurasa, cabbage, cucumbers, and some onions. That's it. Enjoy!